Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this cart. This is not just a typical cart, though. This is one that is a battery-powered cart that can go up to 2 miles and then go in forward and reverse, which would be great if you're going to the beach, if you're going out camping, and if you're hauling things. I mean, this thing is sturdy, but it's not that heavy. It has two 500-watt motors, and when you unfold it, it locks into place. This part here actually can be removed so you can carry stuff with this separate little inner bag, or it does have hook and loop fabric that you can move over the outside edge like this and go ahead and latch it down so that it actually holds it in place, which is what I'm going to be doing here. Now, this thing will go up to 2 miles. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery. Again, it's got a removable inner piece, but this is the real meat and potatoes of it right here, is this piece that goes, you can lock it up in place like that where it stays vertical, and it's got a trigger mechanism on here and a drive that goes forward and reverse so that you've got a switch right there. And this thing holds up to 300 pounds, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put some pool chemicals to haul around to our pool. But I didn't want to have to haul around there manually. It doesn't weigh any 300 pounds, but something I certainly don't want to maneuver around. And with these wheels, there's some bigger wheels on these. It should be able to go ahead and tool around pretty good on that too. So let's go ahead and switch it to drive. I'm going to go that direction. Just to give you an idea here, just going to put one finger on it, touch it, just use it right along. So you don't have to, all trained. And if you're on the beach or in the sand or something, or maybe going to a campsite and have this thing loaded down, or going up a hill for a hill assist.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
Okay, sit on it. You ready? Just push the button. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So on here you actually do have brakes, so if you did need to stop on an incline, you can just easily lock that down. And then you've got your unlock. You want to use your foot and unlock it, and then you're ready to go again. This does collapse in. You can easily put this in the trunk of a car, bring it with you. This thing's great. All right, we're taking it up a hill, and it has no problems going up this hill. It also has some cup holders here at the front that you can put your drinks in, and that way you are ready for any camping gear and handles to carry your hauler with.